Hello everyone. In today's video, I will talk about one of my projects, that is, a comprehensive guide on Salesforce integration with Google Sheet via Zapier. Before moving on to the project, let me give you a brief about the client's requirements. So, the first requirement of the client was to automate the business process, address the customer service issues quickly, assist in building strong relationship with the customers, and follow up for omni-channel support. Before moving on to the project, let me give you a brief about Zapier. So, Zapier is a tool that allows you to automate repetitive tasks between two or more apps with no coding required. When an event occurs in one app, Zapier can instruct another app to perform a specific action. Now, let me tell you about Google Sheets. Google Sheet is a cloud-based service that allows you to access the saved sheet from anywhere over the internet. All the leading devices OS has an integrated app for the Google Sheet, which provides a seamless experience. Google Sheet comes bundled with the Gmail account. You have to log into your Gmail account and from the apps section, choose Google Sheet to use. Google Sheet allows you to download the plugin, add-ons effectively, and customer code to analyze data in spreadsheet. Now, let me tell you more about Salesforce. Salesforce is the leading and most popular cloud platform provider and is available as platform as a service over the cloud. It is mainly used to maintain and manage your customer interaction. You can leverage CRM applications for sales, marketing, service, community, and analytics provided by Salesforce to offer critical insights on customer data and history to understand their behaviors and patterns better. Now moving forward, let me tell you about the technologies that we have used in this project. For language and framework, we have used Python, the Django on the backend and JS backbone on the front. Server stack includes Web running Jinx and Unicorn, DB running MySQL and Redis, messaging running RabbitMQ and Killary. Now, let me tell you about the benefits of this integration process. Firstly, it does not require any manual work. Secondly, the records can be created easily. Next, it helps in automating the workflow. Lastly, it can track workflow easily. Now, let me share the solutions that we have provided. Firstly, you have to create an account on Zapier. New users have to first log into Zapier and they will witness an interface like this. Next, you have to type the name of the app you would like to make a zap and connect this app field. After this, select Google Sheets. After that, you have to type the name of the app you wish to connect with this field and select Salesforce. So, you have to connect Salesforce with Google Sheets for a seamless integration process. Next, select the trigger for your zap. A trigger is used for when your zap is going to work. Also, select the new spreadsheet row. In the fifth step, you have to select the action you would like to perform whenever the trigger happens and select Create. Now, click on Make a Zap to jump to the template Zap editor. After this, now let me share the steps for setting up the trigger. The first step is to click on Choose App and Event. Then choose the app you want to connect with the event you want to perform. Secondly, choose Google Sheets and app. Thirdly, choose New Spreadsheet row in the trigger event. Now, you have to choose the account. After this, click the Sign In button to link your account in the app to Zapier for the first time. Else, select from the drop-down menu of apps. If you have previously connected the app to Zapier, now sign in to your Google Sheets account. Next, you can now set up a trigger. After this step, select your Google spreadsheet and select the worksheet. After this step, click on Test Trigger to check if it is working or not. Then click on Continue. Now, let me share the steps for setting up the action. This is where you tell your Zap precisely what you would like it to do. Step 1 is to click on Choose App and Event and choose which app you want the action to be performed with the action event you want to perform. After that, you have to choose Salesforce and app. Thirdly, choose Create Record and Action Event. After executing these steps, you have to choose the account. Click the Sign In button to link your account in the app to Zapier for the first time. If you have previously connected the app to Zapier, you can select from the drop-down menu of apps, sign in to your Salesforce account. Now, choose the Salesforce object and then map the fields in this setup action. After this, choose lead for Salesforce object. Now, you have to map fields of your need. Once done, click on Test Action to test if your action is working or not, and click on Create and continue to create the Zap. Now, we are at the last step. Here you have to name your Zap and active your Zap by clicking on Turn on Zap. Lastly, test your Zap, add a new detail to the row of your Google spreadsheet, and it will create a new lead in Salesforce. Now, let me tell you about the results that we achieved in projects. Firstly, it reduced the number of tasks both for employees and employer. It can easily track workflows. No manual work is required in this project. It can help build strong relationships with customers. Moreover, it saves time. Are you looking to integrate third-party apps with Salesforce? Or would you like to get the most out of Salesforce implementation? We at Cloud Analogy can help you automate your business process and unlock the optimal value of Salesforce CRM. From simple API to various third-party security integrations, you will find the right solution for your business at Cloud Analogy. Get in touch with Cloud Analogy experts now.